In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. All of us want to earn more money. All of us want to earn more. All of us want to inherit some of the assets. That's nice. All of us want to make assets. All of us want to increase the assets which we were already having or to make the new one. That's all fine. There are certain things which must be taken care of. There are certain things which must be taken care of. As and when we talk about making the assets, there are certain things which must be taken care of. What are those certain things? First of all, we should make sure if at all we are inheriting, we should make sure that we are not doing some sort of injustice against anyone else at all. This must be kept in the mind. And then we must not work excessively. We must not work excessively. We must not work too much that our own rights are usurped, like we are doing a great injustice with we ourselves and with our family. Do not work excessively. Do work, we are there to work. But work in such a manner that a sort of balance could be maintained and retained in the life. And then there are certain other things as well. We shouldn't be so stingy while saving the money to make the assets. That's wrong. That's wrong. I'm not suggesting that we should start the spend thrifting. That's absolutely wrong. But at the same time, being stingy and miser, that is even more bad, or equally bad, which must be avoided. While making the assets, we shouldn't try to usurp the right of anyone else at all. Whatever is not ours should not be ours. Whatever belongs to someone else should belong to them as well. Why to try to take it unfairly, absolutely wrong. It must not be done. And then we people become overprotective. The assets should be protected, obviously, particularly while living in our society. The assets must be protected. But being overprotective for the sake of assets, that is something absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. And being that much afraid and fearful that these assets are not growing and not growing properly, it should grow and it should grow properly. But why being so much curious? And particularly when the time comes to sell an asset and spend it upon oneself or a loved one, I think we must take right decision. We One thing which can be somehow summarized, where we can summarize the whole of this issue is that is we need to understand that our assets are for we ourselves. My assets for myself, your assets for you, and we are not for the assets, not the vice versa. We don't, our assets should not own us. We own our assets. Our assets should be consumed to make our life safe, to make our life more comfortable. Our assets should be consumed and not the vice versa. We should not be consuming ourselves to make our assets safe, to make our assets develop, to make our assets develop even faster. Some of the people are of the view that saving excessive amount of money, it's nonsense. Don't work excessively and don't be stingy and miser. Do spend money upon yourself, upon your loved ones, and up to an extent upon the general public, upon the needy people in the society as well. These are the things which must be taken care of while thinking and planning about the assets, about the income. Thank you. Jazakallah.